Obviously, it's been a rough session for semiconductors, which is something we don't say often, right? Not in 2024. Of course, anytime we say that, that means really it's been a rough session for artificial intelligence stocks. And that's been a little bit now for a couple of weeks. Now, of course, today, the big downdraft sparked by scuttlebutt, the Biden administration ready to take extreme measures to ensure that China doesn't obtain these high-end computer chips. But even before today, this AI trade was waning a little bit, right? The big story has been a rotation into things like small caps. So the bigger question now, is the hype already over? Well, let's bring in IO Fund lead tech analyst Beth Kindig. Beth, you've been here before. Is the hype over, right? In fact, I've got an article. I'm going to put a headline from an article last year in InfoWorld. It was titled, "When a Generative AI Hype Fades," right? Now, here's the thing. We've been told that this is the first or second inning of AI. Why so many people already jumping off the bandwagon?
Those are great questions. I am not jumping off the bandwagon. What I would say is that many fund managers were confused about AI in 2023, were confused in 2024. They're not realizing that what we have in our hands is an AI economy, not an AI bubble. This is evidenced by the real revenue, the real growth, the real profits. This is an AI economy because of those reasons, and we are looking to buy on this dip.
But right now it's an AI economy, but the picks and shovels part of it is that it's getting all the attention and where all the money is being generated. Does that mean you're still hot on NVIDIA?
I am very hot on NVIDIA. Right now, we're estimating a minimum of 30% upside. Analyst consensus for next year is $160 billion in the data center. We are tracking now $220 billion. There's your 30%. We have Blackwell coming at the end of this year. Hopper brought us here. Blackwell is going to exceed Hopper sales. This company is not stopping. At 30% is minimum, Charles. We could see up to 100% move over the next 6 to 8 quarters. And this is because there is plenty of room in the PE ratio. It goes back to those real profits that we discussed around the AI economy. This company is valued low because it has grown 500 to 600% on the bottom line. That valuation is too low for this run to be over.
Yeah, we're not used to the E leading the way when they go parabolic like that. So we got these data centers, and I read where you say this whole thing now will cause a power demand. I want to make sure I got the number right, to increase 8,000%. And we've been hearing about this, and a lot of folks have pivoted their portfolio to that, but a lot of these so-called power plays have struggled of late. So what's the timeline, right? Because I know I've been around for a long time. There's the hype, which, these stocks go crazy, they go up. All of a sudden, these names don't meet the hype, they come back down. But over time, they eventually do. The hype does come to fruition.
Those are great questions. We have a pretty good idea of timing for AI power consumption because the next generation, again, Blackwell, I've been talking about Blackwell on your show for some time. It's finally going to hit at the end of this year. That's a 300% jump in power consumption over the next few months for these AI data centers. Liquid cooling is going to be necessary because we're crossing over the 1,000 watt mark on power consumption. I know that's a lot of jargon, but AI power consumption will be a leading trend by the time we close this year.
All right. And again, we're out of time, Beth, but I want to mention that I saw where you said you like AMD a lot, maybe as much as NVIDIA. Is that right?
Absolutely. I actually see more gains in AMD. It's a lesser understood story. It's because they have the x86 and the ARM-based PCs. Plus, keep an eye out for Silo AI mentioned on the upcoming earnings call. I'm on the edge of my seat for AMD right now.
Okay, if you're on the edge of your seat, I'm on the edge of mine. I don't even know why. Beth, thanks a lot.
Thanks, Charles.